What's up guys, we are here again at the gun show. This is the Tuscany Suite Hotel and this is the Western Trails Gun and Knife Show. As you have seen, there are a lot of guns. There are a lot of vendors for today. It's here, guns and guns here, guns over there, and I think there's also gun over there.
Lino, man.
Yeah, how are you?
Good, how's it going?
Yeah, good. A little bit busy now, you know,
Yeah.
because I have work. Yeah.
With the state background checks being down.
Yeah.
But it's not bad.
Yeah.
It's not bad.
Yeah.
We're here, right?
Yeah.
I mean, the state's down, but we're open, man.
Yeah, so you're...
Just in case the customers want something, we're here.
Yeah, you're here today and tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're not closed. We move forward with the show so we can take care of our customers.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Kung naghahanap ka ng rifle, lalong-lalo na sa AR or AK, maraming paninda itong table na to, guys. Gusto ko lang ulit i-share, ipakita itong mga nandito. Century Arms Draco, Knock 9. 659. Oh, look at this. It's nice. And this is the Sastaba 762 by 39 1399. This is just like a combination of AR and AK. As you see, the butt stock is, it's a pistol. And then this is Sastaba Pop M90. Oh, this is 5.56, guys. Look at the gun. This is also looks so nice. Oh, it's so nice. And then is the Sastaba Pop M70. This is the same M70. This is also, oh, this is the M90. Sorry. And this is the M92, M90, and this is the M70. It's 762 by 39. And this is 5.56. 762 by 39. M70. Oh, this is also the 762 by 39 version of. This is the M70, but it looks the same with the M90. And this is the Wise Arms. It's 699. Wise Arms LLC. And this is the Shark Coast Tactical SCT 15 899. This is also 5.56, guys. Oh, with including the the red dot. It's a vortex, and there's a light here. This is nice. And this is the diamond back, 729. Diamond back, 599. 556. 729.
Thank you, guys.
Diamond back DB15, 599. Diamond back 15. Diamond back DB15, 699. And diamond back 549. Oh, this is all diamond back, but they have different prices from here and here. 599. This is 599. 629. And this is 699. And diamond back DB15, 549. This ABC rifle, 599 also. And this is the FN Guardian. Nice. This is the Sept M400 B2. Oh, look at this. This is 979. Nice. And this is the Smith & Wesson MNP 15. This is 699. And this is the Helion 1599. Look at this. It's so nice. Wilson Combat. This is also 556 1299. This is Diamondback BB10 308. Ito guys, yung mga rifle, yung AR at saka AK na paninda nitong table na to. Pero napakarami pa rin siyang tindang ibang baril katulad nito, shotgun, yung mga AR pistol is nandyan. There's a lot of shotgun over there. Nandun yung mga PCC and handgun over there. Tapos dito sa likod ko guys, ito nga yung pwesto ni 11 Tactical. Ito guys yung Sastaba M77. Makita nyo yung itsura niya is hindi na ito AK. Ayan, it's nice. Itong Sastaba guys is well known ito na maker ng AK. Katulad nito yung mga previous product nila. Pero ito yung latest na nilabas nila. Itong M77 308. Makita mo yung magazine niya is diretso na. Then yung bat niya is ito. Parang na-modernize yung ito yung style niya. Pati yung magazine niya nga is naging diretso na. Napakaganda sa presyong 1599. Oh, this is cheaper, 1487.97. Kung naghanap pa ng PCC, ito maganda rin itong option, itong Ruger.
It's actually hard to find.
I know, that's why I saw it. I've been looking at the market for it.
Oh. Oh, nice.
You get a longer barrel.
Yeah. And it's good because because this is folded also. Yeah.
Yeah, you can.
Oh, that's too small now.
Like that.
Yeah.
Put in the back.
Oh, yeah. It's nice. Ito guys, kung hinahanap po pa yung M14 nung araw, ito meron kang makita dito sa gun show kung gusto mong bilhin. Ayan. Ang kaso, napakamahal pala nito guys. Ayan. Makikita mo lang to sa mga capgo nung araw sa atin na parang hindi maganda. Pero tignan mo naman yung presyo. Ayan. Meron pa siyang ito, magazine dito. Maraming salamat ulit guys sa pagsama sa aking video. Sana wag mong kalimutan mag-subscribe at pakipindot mo na rin yung notification bell.